Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix wrong heart rate readings on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. First of all, make sure that your watch is seated correctly on your wrist. This is incorrect. As you can see, as I'm wearing it right now, the bone that is on my wrist, the wrist bone is here, and it shouldn't be wearing like that. First of all, for me it's uncomfortable, but you should actually move the watch basically to here at least, so the bone is like it's behind, the watch is behind the bone. So that is the first thing. Then make sure that your strap is tight enough. Of course, it shouldn't be too tight. It shouldn't cut off your blood circulation, but it should be tight enough so that it doesn't wiggle, and as you shake your watch, it doesn't fall off by itself. Now, if that didn't help, then try removing your watch and cleaning the sensors on the bottom of the watch. There they are. You can use a microfiber cloth in order to clean it. Then, if that didn't help, you may want to restart your watch by pressing and holding on the back button, then tapping here and tapping on restart. Now, if that won't help, then we'll get to our phone in order to adjust a few settings. Okay, now in the app, in the device section, make sure that in health monitor, you have the auto heart rate monitor enabled and set to your desired frequency. The best one would be continuous, but it will use more battery, although when it's enabled in continuous, you can also enable high heart rate and low heart rate notification to get notified when the heart rate is too high or too low. Yeah, so that is the thing. If that doesn't help, try updating the software on your watch by going to the device section, of course, general, system update. And if there's an update available, go ahead and install it. If there's not, then that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.